Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS backgrounds. And right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS background position button. The CSS background position property is used to specify the position of the background image. Don't you forget that. And right now, we are going to use the background position along with the value of bottom. Now, get back to our document. We are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the background position to the top. As you can see, we are having this top, right? Now, let's comment it out and use another one. We use background position to the what? To the bottom. Now we use background position bottom. Let's see how our document looks. Back to our document, reload it. Can you see when we reload it? It just shifts to the bottom right here, but it never reached the very bottom of our page very well. So can you see the position it is right here? So don't be scared of using this. That's why I'm trying to do this one by one for you, so you can be able to know how to have full control over it. As you can see, it shifts to this way. It's never reached the bottom finally. So I'm going to show you what really happens there. So let's now again show you another thing again. Let's say for instance now we remove all this now, the text inside our body element. Let's remove it. Let's reload our document again. We are going to see the crazy thing again. Can you see? It still shifts to the top, and we specify bottom. The image should come to the bottom, but it doesn't come to the bottom. But we are seeing the bottom of our image. It's like we are seeing the footer of our image. As you can see, can you see the footer of our image is the one we are seeing. When I increase it, can you see the bottom of our image is the one we are able to see. So I'm going to show you in our future tutorial. I'm still going to show you how to control this very well, because this is so crazy. When figuring out all these kind of things, you are going to feel like what's going on. When you use right also, when you use right, can you see where the right comes to? And it's well, because we bring back our document, can you see when we bring back our document, the right comes here instead of it to come to this side. Or when we remove all this document also, and we have only the body element, can you see the right comes to this right, but it's even chopped up. It's just showing the half of the image. So don't you worry, just let us keep continuing, because I'm still going to show you some cool tricks about it. But right now we are discussing about bottom. So let's specify bottom right here and again and see what we got. Can you see what we got in our document? We are having this, right? Instead of it to come to the bottom of our document like this, never come to the bottom, but we are just seeing it like the center or whatsoever. Is not even specific. So as you can see the way it works, I'm going to show you more cool tricks about this, so you can be able to follow along. Please practice all these things I'm showing you. This is background position to the what? To the bottom. Let me show you. Let's call this background position bottom. Let's call this background position bottom. Reload your document. As you can see, you can still check our CSS background playlist, so you can be able to follow along, because we have covered a lot of things right here, and we are right here talking about the background position button. So as you can see the button, the way it looks with our document. So I'm going to stop here. In our future tutorial, we're still going to talk about it much better. Anwar, akorede, ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much.